Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated and controversial military machines of the next generation, the 2026 Armata. Russia's cutting-edge tank platform has been making headlines again, and there are a lot of new updates, features, and global reactions to talk about. Now, if you've followed military tech over the past decade, you've probably heard of the original T-14 Armata. When it first rolled out, it was hailed as a game changer, a tank that could redefine 21st century armored warfare. But the 2026 model? It's a whole different beast. The new Armata isn't just an upgrade. It's a full transformation. We're talking about a fully autonomous mode, advanced AI systems, next-gen armor tech, and a redesigned combat suite that makes it smarter, faster, and deadlier than anything we've seen from the Russian defense industry so far. Let's start with the AI. The 2026 Armata now features integrated machine learning algorithms for threat recognition, terrain navigation, and target prioritization. What does that mean in practical terms? The tank can independently analyze its surroundings, identify enemies, whether it's infantry, drones, or other armor, and select the most effective countermeasure within seconds. It also supports semi-autonomous operation, which means one crew member can handle what used to require three. In a real combat situation, that efficiency could make a big difference. And speaking of crew, the 2026 version keeps the same unmanned turret design, so the three-man crew stays inside an armored capsule in the hull, offering maximum protection. Now let's talk firepower. The main gun remains the 125mm smoothbore cannon, but with significantly upgraded fire control and smart munitions. The 2026 Armata can fire guided rounds, airburst shells, and even anti-drone projectiles. There's also a rumored high-velocity kinetic energy round in development that might rival Western Sabot rounds. One of the biggest shifts is the active protection system, the Afghanit 2.0. This system doesn't just intercept incoming missiles. It actually detects where the missile came from and can auto-target the launch point. We're talking about real-time threat elimination, not just defense, but counterattack. That's a major leap forward. Mobility-wise, the Armata has a revamped